Personal hygiene. Pharmaceutical products are designed to treat or prevent illness and disease. As we have seen, because they are used on or in the human body, they must be kept free from microbiological contamination. Every person working in a cleanroom environment must follow strict procedures to avoid product contamination. Often, the shelf life of pharmaceutical products is measured in years. This means that any microbes that contaminate products have plenty of time to multiply. Contamination must be avoided in the first place, and personal hygiene plays a huge part here.